All right, welcome to Coin Money Crypto, and it's right now night here. And before sleeping, going for sleep, I wanted to give you best information and wanted to tell you about best altcoin for to make future money. But before starting, I want to request you please do your own research before investing because it's your money, your risk, and your hard money belongs to you. That's why please do not follow anyone before investing. Do your own research. Just listen to anyone. Everyone listen to everyone, but do your own research. And today, right now, we saw that broadcast company Fox to launch NFT and blockchain curated animated series. Fox Bloom Broadcasting Company, the American commercial broadcast television network, is launching a non-fungible token NFT business called Blockchain Creative Lab. According to a recent report, moreover, Fox is also planning to release a new blockchain-based animated series crafted by Dan Harmon called Crapopolis. Okay. Fox to enter the NFT fray aims to launch an animated series crafted by blockchain technology. Okay, this is the New York-based television network. Fox is a popular company that's been in business for over 34 years. Okay, now many companies are coming to blockchain. This is the truth. This is real. Even Samsung have launched a wallet in their mobile phones, some of mobile phones models, and to store your cryptocurrencies. Sony even launched a Bitcoin-based PlayStation for game playing, and this is the blockchain. But yesterday we saw a big fall in the market, but that do not afraid, do not, your money, your Bitcoin is not going anywhere. Being investor, being responsible investor, if we all, you, me, and everybody who is investor, decide that we will never sell our Bitcoin, we will never sell our any good crypto assets like XRP, like Cardano, like XLM, like VeChain, like Reef Finance, like the Graph protocol. We will never sell our any crypto assets like RSR protocol something, because if we will not sell our assets in any condition, then how big whales will buy? How? We just have to decide that in any condition, either may market fell more down or market come to 90% down, but we will never sell our assets. If we will never sell, then from where they will buy? They can't buy from. They buy from our fear. They buy from our panic selling. They buy from our big whales, rich people who never wanted that a common man like you and me, we decrease the barrier in between them and us. We finish the barrier in between them and us. Rich people never want that. But this crypto is the way we can get our dreams, we can get our future money. So never sell your assets. Now come to the main point from where I want to tell you a cryptocurrency coin, which is before that we want to, let's see the market. The market is at 1.69 trillion. Bitcoin price is right now 39,817 or 39,691 approximately. Ethereum is 2,603 380. Cardano has $1.60. Polkadot to $27.39. We market is recovering. Bitcoin, we saw that $30,000 point, and now it's around $40,000. And now it's a time to invest by choosing your good crypto assets for long time money making, like refinance, like the graph protocol. And another one I'm talking today, that is Civic. Latest Civic is a very good platform. Civic, we will talk about Civic. Civic is in market rank, it's around 158 on watch list of 35, more than 35,000 people. And it's an enterprise solution identity Solana system. It's on Solana system, and already venture capital firms like DCG portfolio, Pantera Capital, these two have invested in the project, and it is on Ethereum based project right now. It's on very good bargain available. It's around 32 cent, and its all-time year high is around 81 cent, and all-time year low is 2 cent. But right now it's a very good bargain, available at good margin. For, you can see it is listed on more than near about 57 top exchanges for liquidity, and it is listed on Binance, and even it is listed on Coinbase Pro. Coinbase Pros, you all know that it's a US biggest cryptocurrency exchange, and already listed there for liquidity, people investing there and making long-term investment. And what is it? Now come to the main point. What they provide: identity verification on blockchain by Civic, reduce fraud, onboard user faster, all powered identity verification combined with human review to ensure that your users are real always. Already they have launched their apps on Apple Store and Google Play Store. And mobile identity verification for your growing business. A seamless onboarding experience for your user is not only a win for them, but a win for you too. Login, KYC, age verification, everything you can do on blockchain. Simplified your onboarding process, authenticate your user without storing their data. Government identity document verification. Our know your user, our know your customer KYC, our know your customer KYC check over 4,500 plus identity documents across 195 countries. You can see how biometrics scan, eye scan, and these type of blockchain apps can help government, big agencies to manage the illegal persons, to see their illegal activities, what they are doing. And these types of decentralized app we need in the system. And already this app, I think, will be very helpful for government agencies, local our businesses. And we can see that about what is Civic. Civic, we already talked about what is Civic. Civic is a decentralized identity system that allow for on-demand, secure, and lower cost access to identity verification via blockchain. So this is Civic work. And as per my point of view, as per my point prediction, Civic will touch to $2 when market will run again, but it may go down some more if the bearish trend will start. But it's a good company backed by good business theme, and already its market cap is very low, near about 216 million only, 216 million, and already listed on biggest exchanges for liquidity. So you can see what is the future, you can see what will be the future for these types of companies called crypto assets. So when few billion will come to this market, cap, and you can see the price where the price will go from the current price. If the trend will reverse and it will turn U shape and the people start again investing, and all the panic sellers stop selling their crypto assets, then you will see the U-turn very soon. And as per my price prediction, it will touch to $2 in near future, and you will make good money, because it's the right time to enter in the market, to make huge investments, to make huge money, because crypto market will never go anywhere. Maybe for few days it may go down, because now I'm telling you, showing you a thing. This is the Cardano chart. You can see a year ago Cardano price was near about 8 cents. Not only a year ago, you can see in September Cardano price was 8 cents only. 8 cents. What is 8 cents? 10 cents, 11 cents, 14 cents, 31 cents, and same thing we are at the Civic price near about 30 or 31 cents, and you will see the rise like this. Once money will come again back to the crypto market and bearish sentiments will finish, you will make good money, and then you will realize that if you were entered at that point, that how much money you could make at that time. So enter in the market whenever everybody sell in panic. This is the way to make good money in any crypto assets or in any stock market. When everybody say that it will go up, then be some afraid from the market. So now it's the time to enter, to make your first positions and stay for a long time and hold for a long time. But before investing, do your research. Civic is a good company and you will make definitely good money in the Civic. Yes, it's a good blockchain based identity verification company. Okay, if you like the video, please share the video, subscribe the channel, make a comment, and share the video with your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, so they can benefit from the dip and from the price point. They can benefit and make huge money in future. Stay in the cryptocurrency and hold your assets for long. Do not sell, do not panic sell.